Hey guys, Kat Kerr, and today I am thrilled to be playing with Faith Impressions by Gel Press. Now this set was inspired and designed by signature artist Carrie Salee, and I am so excited to finally have them in my hands. Now she designed this set with Bible journaling in mind, and so the set comes with a couple of different plates in different shapes ready for Bible journaling. Now if you're looking for Bible journaling video tutorials, make sure you click that link in the description. I'll include Carrie Salee's YouTube channel in the description below. Now I knew that I wasn't going to be doing any Bible journaling, but I still wanted to give this set a try because you really can't go wrong with these fun and unique shapes. Now I decided to make some fun and easy tags using the plates as well as my creative art textures from Joggles.com. Before I get started, I add the smaller shapes to an acrylic block. Now whenever I get a new plate, I have to season it, and that simply means that I add acrylic paint a couple of times before I start my project. Now once the plate is seasoned, I add acrylic paint and then press my creative art texture, remove it, and then press some tags along the plate. It's a long rectangle, so I could make a lot of tags at the same time. I continue to add color and different textures and creating stripes on the tags. Here I'm using a different plate from the set. This one has two different edges, which are really cool. And then I press a texture and do the same thing. Just build the stripes along my tags using different colored acrylic paint and different textures. Now it's time to use the shapes. Now I'm going to use my rectangular plate as my palette, and I'm going to just add some paint to the small shape, use a texture on top of it, and then just place it in a pattern on the tag. Here I am doing the same thing with the heart, but I'm not adding any texture. I'm just placing some acrylic paint onto the heart and placing the heart in some sort of pattern onto the tag. So now that I have all of these really nice tags, I'm going to finish them off by using a white Sharpie and doing some mark making or adding white splatters of paint. I think these tags came out great. Now we just need to finish them off by adding some focals. Here I'm cutting out some focals from a paper pad, and then I'll also use some fabric scraps and trim and glue them onto the tags. I finish off by using a permanent marker and going around all of the elements just to help them pop. For the complete list of materials used in this video, see the description below. Thanks for watching.